In this video, I'm going to show you guys my waterless mobile car wash business setup. You're not going to believe every single thing I need fits in the front seat of my 2011 Prius. I mean, every single thing. There's nothing else in the back seat or the trunk. Everything I need right in the passenger seat. So before we get into the video, please make sure you're subscribed. Also like the video, it helps out the channel so much. YouTube loves promoting videos that are getting likes. And also hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. Now I'm gonna swing around the other side and show you guys my setup. Real quick, let's get this out of the way. Everything I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna leave my Amazon affiliate links to buy that in the description. So if you wanna purchase your own, go to the description and you can find the links there. So first things first, let's go ahead and talk about the vacuum I use. I use the Rigid portable vac. The great thing about this vacuum, it comes with the attachments, obviously the hose, and then this attachment right here helps you get, in between seats, and helps you with the reach. And then it comes with the other few attachments, but I find myself using this one most. So yeah, that's the vacuum I use. You're probably wondering, how do I fit my generator in the front seat? My last video, I showed you guys I bought a gas-powered generator, which was a humongous generator. Cost about $1,000 from Harbor Freight. Now I switched over to an electric battery pack, and this thing will, watch, let me just show you. So real quick, I just want to show you guys that the Jackery, this battery right here, will power up this vacuum. And before I get into showing you guys, I also want to let you guys know that using this Jackery battery is going to save you money in gas. You don't have to do maintenance like you have to do on a normal generator, and it's very quiet, almost makes like zero noise. So if you're doing someone's car early in the morning, you don't have to worry about waking up neighbors, because sometimes generators are really loud. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys. It's plugged in right now. What a game changer. I went and returned my old generator. I totally didn't even think that this would work, but it works. So I couldn't be happier with this setup. So this right here is the Jackery Explorer 1000. This thing will power my vacuum to clean at least 6 to 7 cars before it goes dead. The link again will be in the description, my Amazon affiliate link if you want to buy this. The amazing thing about this is you can attach a solar panel to this. So you can be using it, have the panel out in the sun and getting a charge while you're working. We use this to bring power to the Jackery while we're using it. Yeah, it's pretty simple. You just basically open it up, sits in the sun. While it's sitting in the sun, you're getting some power charged to your battery. And let me bring them back to the Jackery. I use this thing for everything. I mean, I use it for the photo booth business. And the cool thing about this Jackery is you can actually charge it while you're driving. So that's another perk of having this thing here. The next thing in my setup I'm going to show you are the Microfiber towels. This right here is Kirkland's brand, also known as Costco's brand. I believe there's 36 towels in here. Super good deal. If you don't have a Costco membership, you can buy them on Amazon for a really good price. Again, link in the description. But yeah, these are decent towels for the price. You can't go wrong with these. And with the waterless car wash business, you're gonna use a ton of towels. And I'm gonna wash this car here, the Prius. I'll let you guys know exactly how many towels that it took on the outside, just in case you were wondering. I know a lot of people are curious about that. But yeah, you definitely gotta stock up on towels. The next thing in the setup, obviously, is just a simple bucket. I got this one from my friends over at Streamline. They're based in La Puente. I grew up, was raised in La Puente. If you are in the La Puente area, go to Streamline, really nice people. So let's go ahead and talk about what's inside the bucket. The next thing I wanted to talk about is this. This right here is what's saving me so much space in my car. This right here is saving me from not having to get a truck, a van, is this liquid inside this bottle. This is the Wash Wax All bottle waterless spray that I use now for the vehicles. It came in this, and also the kit I bought on Amazon comes with like a gallon, and it also includes some free microfiber towels. And this stuff's amazing. Man, I can't believe how well it works. And this bottle eliminates me having a big tank. I don't need a water pressure, the hose, the machine, all these little parts that it takes. And this also saves me from not actually having to have a gas generator where I'll need way more power than just the shop vac that the Jackery runs off of. So yeah, so this is what I've been using, and this stuff works amazing. Links in the description if you want to use it. So the next thing in my setup that sits in the bucket, it's an all-purpose cleaner. This stuff is amazing. I use it on the wheels, the tires. I use it on the inside of vehicles, on the door panels, the center console. I don't remember the brand, but I'm gonna leave the link to buy this in the description. This right here is the most versatile thing that I have, I think, besides, you know, the waterless spray. This stuff's amazing. It works so well. And of course, the next item is this little brush right here. So if I need to get into places such as like the door panel and you know, I can't really get inside there, I just use this and scoop it out. The great thing about this this piece here, it came in a kit, which brings me next item is this little brush right here. I haven't really used it yet. This is mainly for if you're going to be doing shampooing and really intensive stuff like that, like real detail things like services. You would use this on a drill. But you know, as for now, I'm just a waterless car wash. I don't really want to get into the full detailing aspect of the business. To me, it's just way too much stuff to be learning right now. And right now, I'd rather just master the basics. Just, you know, the simple wash, vacuum in the inside, wipe down, and just the simple stuff. So it came in a kit, so I was really just looking for these, and it came with a bunch of these. And what else did it come with? Came with this piece right here, which is really cool. I actually bought 2 sets. This is a little kit to use for the vents for the cars. So when you're wiping it down, there often will be dust inside of the vents, and this thing right here will slide into the crevices, and you just go back and forth, and it'll collect a lot of the dust and just the stuff that's been collected from there. And next up, just trash bags. I have a few trash bags inside the bucket. So after I use the microfiber towels, I then put all of the ones that have been used inside a trash bag. That way I'm not mixing them up or losing them. The worst thing is like washing someone's vehicle and then leaving stuff inside of their vehicle. This happened once, super embarrassing, but the guy was really nice. So that's definitely must have some trash bags. And obviously you want to keep a couple just for trash. Next up, inside of the setup, just some rubber gloves. Definitely got to protect your hands, especially if you're going to be using chemicals. You do not want, you know, you just don't want chemicals on your hands. I don't really need to explain why. Wear gloves, just wear gloves. Next up is this brush right here. This I don't have a link to because I bought this at Streamline in La Puente. They hooked me up with this brush. Well, I paid for it. It wasn't a sponsorship, but this is what I use on the wheels. I use it on the tires, and it really allows for the dirt to come off the tires and the wheels. This thing's a lifesaver. And next up, this was also purchased at Streamline. It is basically just air freshener. So when I'm done cleaning a car, I just spray one of these sprays on the carpet of each side and the back, and the car smells amazing. I really don't want to spend a bunch of money on the actual air fresheners. I know a lot of detailers will, you know, go all out and make custom ones. I'm just getting started, and this does the trick. But this isn't necessary. It's just a very nice add-on. It's a nice touch. Next up is my glass cleaner. I use these for the windshield and obviously the rearview mirrors and all that. I bought this at the 99-cent store. It's pretty foamy, but it works great. I've also used another one I purchased on Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave that one in the link below for my Amazon affiliate link. But yeah, man, you got to really take care of the glass. I feel like a lot of customers really look at the glass first. It's like one of the first things they'll look at. So make sure you take care of the glass. That's going to do it for the bucket. So next up is my chair. Check it out. It just folds up like that. Yeah, and you just sit on it. I usually use this when I am working on the wheels and tires. It just saves me a lot of, you know, having to bend over, and I don't want to hurt my back just from cleaning tires and wheels. So this thing right here is super portable. It's strong. I'm 300 plus, and this thing holds my weight, and it's very nice. It's just nice to have. And like I said, you didn't even probably see it. It just really fits right in here in the floor panels. So this thing's amazing. Next up is my drill. And this little piece right here, this is just used to agitate the carpet. I haven't really used it, but this piece, the top piece, came in the kit that I showed you guys earlier. You know, this is just nice to have. I think I'll use this once I get a car that has dog hair. This will be really useful to get the dog hair up, because from my research and all the other videos I've seen, dog hair tends to get stuck in carpet, so super nice to have just in case. And lastly is this wool-like carpet upholstery cleaner. It just sprays out foam, and you can use the top to take out stains. I've only used this one time. I had a customer ask if I can remove a spot, and I don't want to buy an extractor or anything else. You know, I'm really happy with just having everything I need fit in the front seat. So this was something that was recommended to me, and it worked so good. I wish I would have taken before and after photos, but I was really in a crunch. So this stuff works amazing. I will leave the link to buy this in the description. So yeah, that's it. That's my whole setup, you guys. Everything I need to get a car washed. And I know I'm not charging detailer money, but my washes are simple. It's very basic. It's fast. You know, it's about an hour 15 minutes. I'm done. I work by myself. And the whole benefit of having a waterless wash business is the space. I think it's the space and not having to buy all that crazy equipment. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my car. I'll give you guys some B-roll footage, you know, some montage, and then some before and after photos and video. So let's get into the wash. So I just finished the wash on the paint, and just to give you guys a little visual, we have a little bit less than half of this left. I feel like I could have used a lot less if I was more conservative with it. I apologize for the wind, just trying to do this really quick. But yeah, the value you get from this bottle, plus you get a whole gallon of this stuff, it's so worth it. And again, if you're interested, my Amazon affiliate links to buy this stuff is in the description. So now I just have to do the windows, and the outside wash will be complete. All right, so I just wrapped up the car wash. It was 14 of these microfiber cloths. It did the whole outside. I'm talking about the paint, the tires, the wheels, you know, everything, the windshield. And, you know, again, make sure you have a bag. So now I know that all of these have been used and these need to be washed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are encouraged to start your own waterless car wash business. And again, I cannot believe everything fits in the front seat. I don't have to buy a van. And most importantly, right now, you guys, I'm getting gas mileage from a Prius. Vans don't have the best gas mileage. I know a lot of detailers or mobile car washes have trailers, trucks. You guys, you're getting the best of everything when it comes to this business. Yes, it's a little bit more work to wash the car, but again, I think it's a lot cheaper in the long run. It has its pros and cons, but I'm definitely gonna continue with this business. If you guys want to see me do the inside, let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to do inside cleaning if you guys are interested. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.